I've seen pictures and videos of the Dolomites for years, and I always knew I wanted to see this place with my own eyes. So this summer I ended up hiking 140 kilometers of the UNESCO Geotrail with two friends, Alina and Lea. Alina and I live near each other in Salzburg, and we've been friends for a while. I met Lea on the GR11 in Spain 2 years ago, and then Alina met her while hiking the Madeira Trail. So this was kind of a full circle moment. 3 solo hikers from different trails coming together in the Dolomites.
Already so beautiful.
No matter where I go, I'm only going with you. Just be patient, honey, it'll also come true. Been breaking down all
Looks
the
dangerous.
Norwegian towns with you. My old mind's been wondering why it's taken so long to plant this bloom. I took the long road to find you wanting me, and I keep shutting you out when I fought you to stay here. I don't mind treading water to hold you near. My mind's been blind and needs to change. Let's restart. I'm coming home now with my whole heart. Just be patient, honey, what is also construed. You know I will never tire of following you. Whether the feelings fade or you've forgotten the flame, one thing will always be left.
Cozy Notlager. It's actually the best. So much better than the tent. Whoa!
Like actually this is cheers.
Cheers!
Look into my eyes.
Looking at the landscape, the Dolomites were everything I had hoped they would be. Sharp, majestic, and glowing in that golden evening light that makes you stop and stare. But I didn't expect them to feel so busy, with chairlifts, crowded trails, and fully booked huts. This area is incredibly accessible, which is amazing for many, but I found myself missing the spontaneity of wild places. Just being out there with no plans and no phone service and no one around. I guess I just prefer single-track trails and silence over cruisy gravel roads and perfect cappuccinos. Though I'll admit the cappuccinos were pretty good.
Ballerina cappuccina.
The hiking itself was quite intense. We jumped into long days with up to 30 kilometers from the start and big climbs. And honestly, I just wasn't in the best phase of my cycle to push it that hard. I felt really exhausted from the start.
Kind of tired today.
And then PMS hit me really hard. You know, when it makes you want to curl up and cry for no reason, or maybe every reason. So I listened to my body and left the trail a little earlier than planned. And at first I felt really guilty, like I should have pushed through. But also I knew I could have, but I didn't really want to. I'm starting the Hexa trek in just over a week, and I want to be rested and not wrecked. And through hiking isn't just about finishing. Sometimes the strongest thing you can do is stop when your body asks you to. This hike reminded me that the magic of trail life isn't always the finish line. Sometimes it's the fun moments around camp, the unlikely friendships, and the honesty with yourself. And the mashed potatoes. Always the mashed potatoes. Oh, and if you're in Italy, definitely add Aperol and cappuccino to the list.